In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your time zone in ClickUp. So if you have moved from one location to another or one country to another and you like to go ahead and manually change your time zone, then you can do this in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get started, go over to your ClickUp account and then click on your profile icon on top here. Under this, choose Settings. And then below you will see we have quite a number of settings. Scroll down until you see time zone, which is under language and region. Currently you can see this is my time zone. To change it, just go ahead and choose one of the time zones available here. Once you have chosen, you can go ahead and also make sure that this is checked to notify me of time zone changes. Then go ahead and save your changes. So that's how you can change time zone on ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.